So I promised to bring this video so that you will see that one of the lies of this fallback republic, one of their lies, I saw them sharing video that has to do with these people that you are seeing on screen, those guys on red. They are sharing the video, one of the clips, is what they're using to tell you to that men mount, that kind of thing. I just want to share this because it will go a long way to let people know what their intent, their actions, and what they actually want to gain by lying to people. Honestly, I don't know why, but every blessed day we are seeing reasons, or we are seeing behind them, behind their action. A few days ago, I told us about the new platform they have registered, the website. They actually have two different, page on X that if you don't pay attention, if you don't know, you will think that it's just a news platform that is quite neutral. It's a neutral platform that it has nothing to do with them. That it's just that they are reporting the effort and the good work of Ogekere. But behind them is Ogekere operating those websites. And many people that have recruited, they have, posting and sharing a lot of things on social media, especially on X. I told us about that one. Then I made it clear to us 2 weeks ago. I think that should be last week or last 2 weeks, where we analyze how they dict, news headline like Vanguard, Daily Post, People's Daily, a lot of them creating their own headline news just to propagate their own ideology in the name of bringing you Biafra and doing this and doing that. So today we have seen the video that some of them are sharing, especially video that has to do with people on red. Like I told you, look at this one, this screenshot on your screen now. You can see it's written, Okigwe local government erupt in jubilation as Okigwe youth vigilante special squad launches operation. The Okigwe community is abused with excitement as the Okigwe Youth Vigilante Special Squad, this kind of repeating the same thing. The Vigilante group determined to ensure safety and security embarked on a visibility tour across Okigwe and its environs. Now, this is Okigwe people, the youth, according to this news, marching from place to place that they want to protect their land by themselves. You can see them on red. So some of them hold some, I can see pump action. I have not seen AK with their hands, but the Lion Mohammed of our time decided to jump into this issue, and he said and shared this. So as you can see here, he shared this. This is Onak Barawa. You can see his ex is here before you. He said, "Freedom sound, freedom sounds in Biafra land. Nigerian Islamic Jihadist terrorist army are going down by numbers." This is he just copied this video and made this. So when somebody read this thing, you will think that Onak Barawa's armed group is one protecting Biafra land and doing everything to protect Biafra land, right? That is what you are going to feel. Now, when you pay attention, this is the video itself. When you come down here, you see Okigwe Express. This is in the video. Don't worry, I'm going to play the video now so you see. Okigwe Express. This just happened at Okigwe Express. Now, play the video. Let me start from beginning. Now, pay attention here. Pay attention here. You can see the red people. This group that I just shared, that I showed to you on the screenshot or a video that I present to you before this video. Look at it here. Now let me play it again. Let me reduce the zoom. Let me reduce a bit. One more. I think it's okay now. Watch. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. And not only that, I'm checkpoint. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Jesus. 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 Now, Sana Barawa is telling you that freedom sound in Biafran land. This is just Okigwe Vigilante. Okay, their vigilante group. Okay, let's see what his followers what they said about it. When you come here, you see it say protection on our gallant men, destruction to our enemies and zoo terrorists. More. You come down here, what is going on here? Has Madam Ajere Chamaka and Boo falling out of love again? Okay, forget about it. This one just gossiping. Then he said, this one said, that woman shouting Jesus, she is so stupid. Seeing the Biafran Defense Forces are dealing with the terrorist army in our land. Instead of them to be happy, she is shouting Jesus. Then this this one said, this woman is very, very foolish. Which one are you shouting? If you cannot keep quiet, get the hell out. The other person said, keep an eye on the person's X account and monitoring all the posts. I don't understand. Okay. This one is calling official DSS. They should keep eye on this account. Look at it. I'm monitoring it. Can you imagine that? He attacked the mother. I don't know who is the person anyway. Look at that. Zulminians, what do you mean by that? The terrorists. Okay, trying to this is Zulimos terrorist organization brought war to different land. They are not people's government, but terrorists. I swear to Okike, Biafra must win this battle. Shame on all our politicians. This fight must reach them one by one. Just imagine. You can see the comment, right? I want to discuss with you privately, Information Minister. It is important. Elohim gave our children Biafra. Elohim give your children Biafra, that your children may worship you and live. So, what do you think about? What do you think about this? What do you think about these people? I just want you to know, to understand how these people can lie. You can see the level of lies. Now, watch it again before we end. You see it now? This is people on red. Then when you come here, why is he hanging? Did I share something wrong? Okay, I was even playing it from somewhere else. Okay, let me play from here again so you can see. I was playing it from the other window. So now you watch. You see it. You see it here, right? You see the pictures here. Look at them. And when you come here, let me share this one. The photo. You see? Are you connecting the dots? Look at it here. The picture is here. Look at him. This is from the video. Then this is the screenshot. The same people. But he's trying to tell you that their boys. Go and tell Honorable Fulani to show you these people. Anyway, my people, please tell me what you think about it. I just want to expose the lie, nothing more. So you can see that. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I would like to hear from you. God bless you.